Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today, before I share the recipe, I want to share an incident. Just a few days back, there is an accident with my father. He was coming with 2 dozen of egg. Suddenly, a bike hit. Fortunately, the bike did not hit my father, but all the 24 dozen of eggs were broken. And another thing, it was inside the carry bag, so it was not spoiled. I was thinking what I have to do because there are 24 eggs. So I thought, let me do something, let me invent something. So what I did the egg paniyaram curry. So there is a mix and match with a recipe of South, that is egg paniyaram, and a curry, that is a Bengali type of curry, or you can say dalna. So name of the recipe which I invent, that is Egg Paniyaram Dalna or Egg Paniyaram Curry. So you just go through my Facebook page, Instagram, or Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen, and you can go through my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So let's start the recipe. I have 24 broken eggs and chopped onion, chopped tomato and chopped coriander. Description box you will get all the quantity. Add salt also. Now time for mixing with the egg beater. Prepare the Paniyaram pan, brush it with some oil. Now fill the cavity with beaten egg. Now open the lid and have to turn another side. Egg Paniyaram done in the both sides. Once Paniyaram is done, keep it aside. In a separate kadai, heat remaining white oil and some mustard oil as well. Add Panch Phoron Bengali 5 spices and bay leaf or tej patta. Now add onion paste, saute for a couple of minutes and cover it. Once the onion paste is soft, add ginger garlic paste and then add green peas and cook it. When the raw smell is gone and green peas are soft, add tomato puree or paste and cook it again. Check it if it's cooked and then add the spices like turmeric powder and then salt and then cumin powder and coriander powder, Kashmiri Red Chilli mirch, and saute it very well and add some water so that the spices won't burn, and cover it. Open the lid after 5 minutes and once oil is coming out, add the sugar. Now simmer the gas and add beaten curd and mix it properly. Add some water and then one by one add the fried egg paniyaram. Now switch off the gas and add Garam Masala Powder and sprinkle some chopped onion, and it's done.